Have you just finished replacing all those tungsten or halogen bulbs on your vessel with light-emitting diodes or LEDs, like I have? In a moment, how they can be dangerous. The U.S. Coast Guard is alerting mariners to the potential for LED lights to interfere with the reception of marine VHF radios and AIS, or Automatic Information System, receivers that receive the position of other ships. A marine safety alert notes that an incident where a ship could not be hailed by VHF radio, and other incidents where ships reported very poor AIS or VHS radio reception due to LED navigation lights. Fortunately, there is a simple test that may tell you if your LED lights on your vessel are causing interference. That in a moment, but first, if you find these videos interesting, please subscribe and ring the ship's bell. When you do that, you get notification each time we post a new video. Here is what we do to test if your bulbs are interfering with your radio reception. First, turn off all your LEDs. Tune your VHF radio to a quiet channel. They recommend channel 13. Adjust the VHF radio squelch control until the radio outputs audio noise. Next, readjust the VHF radio squelch control until the audio noise is quiet, but only slightly above the noise threshold. Now, turn on those LED lights. If once the lights are on, you hear an audio noise, then the LED lights have raised the noise floor. Noise floor is generally the amount of interference or signals or static received beyond the specific signal or channel being monitored. If the radio does not output audio noise, then the LED lights have not raised the noise floor. Try turning on one bulb at a time to see if some, all, or none are at fault. If the noise floor is found to have been raised, then it's likely that both the shipboard VHF marine radio and AIS reception are being degraded by the LED lights. Bulbs built to the correct specifications should not increase the noise floor. For links and more information, please email me at the address below. I'm Alan Stokel, and thank you for watching.